pipicture natin sila dahil first mag-field trip sila together. Like ko. Look at me.
Cheese.
Look at me, Choi. Okay.
Yes, I won.
You gonna be okay to go?
Yes, I won.
Choi, open the door!
Watch it.
Ay, talaga naman etong Game Boy na to. Oh, shoot.
I was
Move the... Chad. Chad, get the booster and throw it in the back. Go, Sissy.
I waited for you.
Careful, please. Watch your water, okay? Ang lamig. Ugh.
My planner, Emma.
Yes, everything is in your bag, good boy.
Mommy, look what I did with honey. So you can just lie right here.
I know.
So good. Go.
It's cold.
It said, let's go.
Dude, it's cold. Just hold on.
Thank you.
What? You got the heat? Alright.
Thank you.
Alright, let's go. So guys, okay.
It's Gucci phone. It's Gucci.
Huh?
Liberty, 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 liberty. Liberty, liberty, liberty. Liberty.
Alright, Troy.
Liberty, liberty.
Alright, love you guys.
Liberty, liberty.
Love you. Sissy, be careful, okay? Love you. Sissy, make sure ask Miss Clark to if you can bring your water with you, okay? Hi. Alright, love you. Love you. So guys, tapos ko nang nagawa yung lunch ng mga bagets and yung kanilang lunch and snacks, ganon. So ito, pakita ko sa inyo. So ito, ayan, yung lunch nila, yung snack nila, yung lunch, yung snack. Tapos ito naman kay Troy. Ito kay Natalia, obviously dahil pink. Kay Troy, ayan. And then ito yung kanilang fruit flatter. We have orange, grape, watermelon, apple. So, yan. Ang kanilang snack. So, nagdala din ako ng extra clothes. Kasi, just in case lang na mangailangan ng extra clothes. So, meron tayo. So, ito yung kay Natalia. Ayan, ito yung kay Troy. So, magdadala din ako guys ng sunscreen. So, meron tayong sunscreen dito. Dadalhin natin yan. Dahil, importante ang sunscreen. Lalo na, mainit na ngayon. So, kailangan natin yan. So, si Daddy is nandoon na sa labas kasi kinukuha niya yung chair. Kasi, baka... I mean, nagpunta na kami doon before, pero walang chair doon. So, yeah, kinukuha na siya ni Daddy. So, guys, ano na kami? Gora na kami. Gora. So, umalis na kami, guys, kasi nakalimutan ko na hindi ko pala alam paano pumunta dun sa kung saan yung field trip nila. Nanggaling na kami dun before, pero kasi iba kasi yung dinaanan namin. So, medyo naano tayo. So, ito pala yung ating outfit of the day. Hello Kitty and ano. Kasi medyo malamig pa. So, nag long pants ako, hindi ako nag short. So, hindi pa ako ready mag short eh. So, yeah, kaya ito lang suot natin. So anyways, so nandito lang kami sa gas station kasi maglalagay ng gas si Daddy. And then yeah. Then yun, diretso na kami. Papunta ng Tilbury. We made it, guys. We are late. They are here already. There's Troy.
I can put the phone away up here.
Yeah. There's Sissy. Go Troy, you can do it. Go. Yay! Yeah!
Okay.
Look at him, Daddy. Sissy has to go around. Yeah! Look at you. Did you like riding the bus?
Yes.
Did you have any issues with the bus?
No.
Good.
Well, can you help me get down?
Yeah. Ooh, I see you. Look at me. Yeah.
I'll come back down by getting from the
Yeah.
That is fun.
Look at me, Troy.
How much is
Troy's playing in the sand. And Cece's over there.
I'm trying to do this.
Yeah.
I'm trying to fill up these so I can help. Yeah, my sister. No, she's my sister.
They're even. It's not hard. The whole thing was walking downhill.
Someone else is trying to be on there. Yeah, Dinah, you got it.
Ready? Once it slows back down, you're done. So somebody else.
Yeah. That's a high When did you get the coat off the bus?
Huh? No, I did it. Guys, nandito ako sa car kasi ang lamig. As in, ang lamig. So, nagre-rest lang ako ng saglit. Para maano yung aking ano. Kasi ang lamig. Oh my God. Ang lamig siya sa labas. Asan yung hangin. Tapos wala pang araw. Malamig siya. It is 10:33 na. And yung mga bata, nag-aas na sila for lunch. Kasi lunchtime na talaga nila itong oras na to. 10:33. Lunch na nila talaga yan. So, nag-aas na sila for lunch. Kung anong oras magla-lunch. I think 1 more hour pa ata. Kasi 12:45, babalik na sila sa school. So, iuwi na natin si Troy at saka si Natalia kasi gusto daw nila umuwi. And dala ko yung kanilang iPad. And ayun ang aking bag, guys. Nandun yung mga lunch nung dalawa. So, maya-maya, bibili na lang ako ng lunch ko. Para, mag-Chick-fil-A ako. For lunch. So, yeah. So, si Daddy muna nagbantay sa kanila ngayon. Dahil ako'y nilalamig talaga. Pero yung kilikili ko, yung pawis ng kilikili ko hindi natigil. Lalagay ko tong sombrero ko kasi yung para hindi na yung aking face. Wow. So, maglagay tayo ng sombrero. Para hindi nasa-sunburn ng ating face. Meron naman siyang araw, kaso nga lang sobrang niya. Yung, tawag na to. Yan. Para hindi nasa-sunburn ng ating face. Yan, dala ko yung isa kong camera. O guys, meron na akong DJI camera. I'm excited siya gamitin. Gagamitin ko sana siya today, but wag na lang muna. Excuse me. Nagtataka na yung si asawa ko. Bakit ang tagal-tagal ko? May kape ako eh. Ito yung kape ko. Labas na tayo para maano ni daddy na hindi tayo nagtatagal dito sa sasakyan. Alright, let's go.
Good shot. Okay, got it. Let it go. Got it. Now what you do is you take this hand and move this up to that one. I'm gonna walk. I got you. I'm not gonna let go. See? Alright, I got you. That was fast. You said that on one. Strike him.
That's how you're supposed to fight? Yeah. I see that. Look at little tiny. Look at Sissy over there.
The one right there.
You're gonna be dizzy.
I know, you gotta stand and wait, okay? You gotta stand and wait. Come on, let's go stand and wait. Stop right now.
You're gonna be dizzy. I told you, you're gonna be dizzy. Lunchtime. Yeah. Are you happy with your lunch? Told you he'll be happy.
What did you have with that?
He'll be happy with that too. There's my girl.
Why didn't pack daddy a lunch?
Oh. Are you eating, girl? So, Troy, did you have fun on your field trip? Yes. Oh my gosh, guys. Sobrang daming kids na dumating. So, na-end up tayo na dito tayo mag-park kasi hinarangan tayo ng mga bus. Let's go. Just be careful with those white stuff or mud. Choy, Sissy,
Burger King, right?
did you have fun?
Yes.
Yeah? Alright. So we're going home. So we got Troy and
you want Burger
Sissy.
King, right?
No, I want... Really? Daddy's messing with me, guys. So we're going home. it's 12:09. As in, sobrang daming kids, guys. There's like 3 bus na...
4 buses.
4 bus na dumating from different school. Like, it's crazy. So Daddy's going to work after field trip.
Let me get those bags on the back.
Okay. That's what your mom was telling me. About Ashley.
Huh?
About Ashley doing that. Daddy's going to work. Love ya.
Me too.
Oh, jeez. I'll close the door.
Let me get in first. So I rest my foot right here.
Uh-huh. And then I close it.
Yes, now you can close it.
Love ya. Be careful.
Oh, I love you too.
Say bye.
Huh?
Say bye.
Bye. I said bye. Love you.
Love you. Be careful.
I will.
Oh, my bed! Whatever. Love you. Guys, ay inubos na yung ate girl ang kanyang lunch na hindi niya inubos sa field trip kanina. Hoy. Si Troy naubos niya yung kanyang lunch. Sa sasakyan naubos niya. Uy, ano ba yan? Eat your food. So, dito tayo guys, nakahiga. Ano na, 2:07 na. Mamaya-maya magsusundin na natin sila kuya. Troy! Hi!
Hi.
So, yep. So, how many days left do we have school? I think 9 or 8 days na lang guys. 9-8 days. OMG! Next week guys, graduation na ni Troy. Ay, ni Troy. Ni Chad, ni Kuya Chad, tsaka ni Caleb. Ay, ni Natalia. Ano ba yan? So, next week, graduation na ni Kuya Chad at saka ni Natalia. Ataka? Ano ba yan? Tapos si Troy at saka si Kuya Caleb naman the next day. So, ang graduation is June 11 and June 12. So, yung June 11 is yung kay Kuya Chad tsaka kay Natalia ang graduation. Good. Eat some other snack you have in there. And then, kay Troy at saka kay Caleb is the 12. You wanna eat the fruit? Okay, go eat the fruit.
And then I'll eat.
There's the bus.
I bet the boys are gonna be so jealous that we
You think they're gonna be jealous? Parang uulan guys. Tanong yung cloudy.
Yeah, let me finish it.
Parang uulan.
That was a scam.
That was a scam?
That was a scam that you didn't let me finish that. It was a scam.
You think so?
Yeah. That was a scam.
There's Caleb. Hi. Hi.
Oh, me and Troy came home early.
What happened to... Why did you guys take forever to get down?
We came
Troy in his underwear.
I don't know.
Troy, why are you in your underwear?
Hi.
We came home early.
Look at this girl. Right there. The right there's in the tree. It's eating now.
It's eating.
It's eating.
Can't see.
It's so
You can't see? Well, as soon as we move, it's gonna move. Oh, see, I told you.
I saw it.